Welcome to BoostSolutions Column View Permissions tutorial. Column View Permission enables SharePoint users to manage column permissions from a centralized location, making it easier to administer and assign permissions, as well as protect and restrict columns and column information from being accessed by unauthorized users. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set the estimated cost column as read-only for managers in the project list and hide the estimated cost column for testers in the project list. In our example, we'll use Leon, who is a manager, and Derry, who is a tester, to check if the implementation of our permission settings was successful. Click Project List to open the project list. In the project list, you will find the estimated cost column. To check the current permission levels for Leon and Derry, click on Site Actions and then select Site Permissions. You can see that both Leon and Derry have full control permission. Now that we know Leon and Derry's permissions levels, we will go back to the project list to set up customized column permissions for these users. Click on List to open the ribbon and click on the Column View Permission button to open a drop-down menu and select Manage Column Permission. On the Column Permission Settings page, click on Add Permission Part. Enter a name for your part. In the Include Users section, click on Select More Users. Click on the Choose User Group Columns for Another List button. Click on the Site drop-down menu and select Product Department. Tick the checkbox next to the name in the Select User Group Columns section. You'll notice at the bottom of the window a Condition section. Click Edit to open a condition window. There are two types of conditions that you can choose from, Basic and Advanced. In our example, we will choose Advanced. On the bottom right corner of the condition box are buttons that open menus for various operators and functions and are, from left to right, Column List, Constant, Function, and Operator. In the column list, scroll down to Product Employee List and select Job Title. Next, select an operator. We will select is equal to. Lastly, select the function. We will select to text. In the quotation marks after the to text function, enter manager. Once you have finished entering your conditions, click OK to save the settings, and you will return to the Choose User Group Columns from Another List window. You will now see the condition that you set next to the Edit icon. Click OK to close the Choose User Group Columns from Another List window to save your settings. You will return to the Add Permissions part page. Click on Add Column Permission. An Add Column Permission window will open. In this window, you can set column permissions for various columns. Under the column name, find the estimated cost column. Then tick the Read Only checkbox under the Edit Form section. Click OK to save your settings. The Add Column Permission window will close and you will return to the Add Permission part page. You will now see your column permission settings in the Permission Settings section. Click Preview to open a window to view the permission settings. Click Close to return to the List Settings page. Click OK to save your settings and return to the Column Permission Settings page. You will now see the permission part that you set up on the Column Permission Settings page. You will use the same method to hide the estimated cost column in the View Item form, New Item form, and Edit Item form for testers. You will now see two permission part names on the Column Permission Settings page. Navigate back to the project list using the Quick Launch. To check and see if the settings work, log in as Leon, who is a manager, to check his permissions for the estimated cost column. Edit an item to check if Leon's permissions for the estimated cost column is set as read-only in the Edit Item form. In the list, select EI. A Project List EI window will open. Look at the Estimate Cost column. You will see that it is set to read-only and thus cannot be edited. Now, check to see if the settings work for Derry. Log in as Derry, who is a tester, to check his permissions for the estimated cost column. You'll notice that there is no estimated cost column in the project list for Derry. Add a new item to see if the estimated cost column is hidden in the new item form. A project list new item window will open. You will notice that the estimated cost column is also hidden and does not appear in this window. Lastly, check to see if the estimated cost column is hidden in the edit item form. In the list, select PC. A project list PC window will open. You'll notice that the estimated cost column is also hidden and does not appear in this window. Your permission settings have been successfully implemented. This brings us to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching.